Hi, my name is Bezerra, and this is my front-end development 231 final project, the Age of Empires 2 Compendium. This video will demonstrate two specific JavaScript requirements: how I use data integration to display content, and how I use the synchronous functionality with a try-catch block. First, I'll demonstrate the data integration. All of these civilizations cards you see on the homepage and on the civilizations page are not hard-coded in the HTML. They're generated dynamically from a local JSON data file. The process starts here in my main.js file inside the getCivs function. These lines uses the fetch API to retrieve the data from my local civilizations.json file. This is the data file. It's an array of objects where each object represents one civilization and contains properties like ID, name, focus, and summary. Once the data is loaded, I use this function, createCivCard, to generate the output. It takes a civilization object as an argument and uses a template to build the HTML for a card, dynamically inserting the name, emblem, focus, and unique unit. This meets the requirement of displaying at least 4 data properties for each item. Finally, functions like displayAllCivs loop through the array for civilizations and call createCivCard for each one, populating the web page with the final output. Next, I'll show you how I used asynchronous functionality with try-catch block. I declare the getCivs functions as async. This is what allows me to use a wait inside it, which makes handling asynchronous operations much cleaner. The core logic is placed inside this try block. The code will try to execute the fetch request and parse the JSON. The await keyword here tells the program to pause and wait for the fetch operation to complete before moving to the next line. This is the synchronous part. If there is any error during the try block, for example, if the JSON file is missing or there is a network problem, the program won't crash. Instead, it will jump to this catch block, log a detailed error to the console for debugging, and return an empty array so the rest of the script can run without failing. So that's how my project integrates data from a JSON file to dynamically create content and uses an async function with a try-catch block for robust error handling. Thank you for watching.